What is the first one? Purchase of machinery was wrongly debited to purchase account. How to rectify the error? Machinery account data to which account? Purchases account. How much? Any doubt in it? Why do you debit machinery? That should be debited. Why are you crediting purchases? That was wrongly debited. You credit and cancel. This is for point number 1. Point number 2. Cash received from Kumar was debited to his account. Actually, what we should have done? Correct treatment is credit to account. How much? How much? 350. But wrongly we debited 350. So how to rectify this? So suspense account data, don't use cash. Cash is correctly posted. If you cash debit partner, if you debit cash now, then you are doing another error. Clear? Cash is correctly posted. If you debit cash account, what is the mistake? Already it has been recorded in cash account. Once again, when you record cash account, then cash will be overcasted again. So suspense account data to which account? Kumar account. How much? 700. Why 700? To remove the wrong debit 1 credit, to put the correct credit 1 credit. So total of 700 rupees you have to credit. Then, what is the next one? Withdrawal column of cash book. Withdrawal column means deposit column debited. Withdrawal column means credit. Credit side of cash book is over cost or under cost. Cash is short the solid column. In the credit side of cash book, we have entered a lesser amount. In the credit side of cash book, we entered a higher amount or lesser amount? Lesser amount. How to rectify this? Suspense account data. To which account? Cash account. How much? 5,000. The mistake is only in which account? Cash account. Which side? Withdrawal side means credit side. Credit side la kammiya potirukom, credit further. Then, suppose they tell that it is a bank column, you can put to bank account also. If it is a bank column, you can put which account? Bank account. You can write to cash account or bank account, anything is okay. Next. Credit sales was passed through purchases day book. Credit sales was passed through which one? Purchases day book, which means journal itself is entered wrongly. What is the entry for credit sales? Data account data to sales. This is the correct one. Evlo record pannu? 2000? Tappu enna pannirkom? So how to cancel that? Creditors account data to purchases. 2,500. It is not a mistake in ledger, it is a mistake in day book itself. Once again, why data account data to sales? Why data account data to sales? To put the correct entry. Why creditors to purchases? To cancel the entry, to cancel the wrong treatment. So data account data, creditors account data to sales to purchases. Data account data are correct, but tappa purchase to creditors potiruko, the cancel pannadukka creditors to purchases. Then, what is the next one? Credit purchases 1,500 is not posted in subsidiary book. Credit purchase is not posted in the account. What is the entry you will pass? Purchase account data to which account? Suspense account. It is not posted in that account. How much? 1,500. Then, next. Rent paid to landlord 2,500 was credited to landlord account. Rent account enna pannirukonu? Debit pannirukonu. Evlo? It's not posted nu sollirukka. Error of posting will affect only one account. Error of posting will affect only one account. So correct treatment is rent account should have been debited. This is the correct treatment. But தப்பு என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம்? We credited which account? Landlord account. The mistake is we credited landlord account. So how to rectify this? Debit what has to be debited now? Rent account data are how much? 2,500. To remove the wrong credit, you have to debit. Landlord account data are how much? 5,200. To which account? Suspense. Simple. Debit what has to be debited? Debit what was wrongly credited. Landlord account தப்பா credit பண்ணிருக்கோம். Remove that by debiting to which account? Suspense account. Next. Personal insurance premium was debited to trade expenses account. Personal insurance premium should be debited to which account? Drawings account data are, but wrongly debited to which account? Trade expenses account. How much? 5,200. Why this entry? Drawing should be debited, debit now. Trade expense was wrongly debited, remove that by crediting. Next, 4,500 received from Charu was entered as what? 450 only in journal proper. Journal proper means in the journal entry itself there is a mistake, which means what will get affected? Debit or credit or both? Both will get affected. Actual our cash account data to Charu account. To which account? Charu account. The difference you have to enter now. 4050. 4,500 we should have entered, but we entered only what? 4050. Sorry, 450. Enter the difference. Suppose இதுல வந்து it was posted in Charu account கொடுத்து என்ன பண்ணிருப்பீங்க? Instead of journal proper, suppose if they would have used the word Charu account was improperly posted, என்ன பண்ணிருப்போம்? Instead of cash, should have used which account? Suspense account. If it is an error in posting, here error is not in posting, error is in which account? Journal itself. Then, cash withdrawn for personal use 5,400 was recorded as which one? Normal withdrawal. What is the correct treatment? Correct account, correct treatment should have been drawings account debit பண்ணிருக்கோம். But wrong treatment is we debited to which account? Cash account. Actually, drawings to bank போட்டிருக்கோம். Drawings account data to bank. But we entered as what? Cash account data to bank. Cash account, when you withdraw cash for personal use, drawings to bank. But they have entered as what? Cash account data to bank account. How to rectify this? Drawings account data to which account? Cash account. 5,400. Next என்ன இருக்கு பாருங்க. Total of debit side of cash book 4,500 was carried forward as what? 5,600 to the next page. Did they change the side or in the same side? They are not told. Debit page carried to credit அந்த மாதிரி சொல்லல. Debit side 4,500, next page debit 5,600. Excess debit. How to remove this? Credit. How to credit this? Suspense account data. Excess debit பண்ணிருக்கோம். Credit and cancel 1,100. Suspense account data to cash account. 1,100. Then wages paid for installation of machinery was debited to which account? Machinery account. No error. Wages paid for installation of machinery should be debited to which account? Machinery account. Correct ஆக பண்ணிருக்கோம். There is no error. So sometimes அந்த மாதிரி எக்ஸாம் கொடுப்போம், நம்ம திங்க் பண்ணி வேற என்ட்ரி பாஸ் பண்ணி வைப்போம். No error, no rectification. Then payment of bank loan was debited to which account? Interest account. So when you repay the loan, what is entry you have to pass? Loan account data to cash or bank you have to put, but they wrongly debited to which account? Interest account. So interest to be cancelled by crediting. How much? 5,000. When you repay the loan, loan account data are to interest account, but they wrongly took it, sorry, loan account data are to cash account. Wrongly interest was debited, cancel that to interest account. Done? See, over this one, over now impact of error pathla, impact of error pathla. Purchase of which one? Machine purchase for it should be taken as an asset. It should be taken as an asset. When you record in purchase account, what will happen to profit? What will happen to profit? Because of the error, what would have happened to profit? Sir, asset purchase பண்ணது expense record பண்ணா profit என்ன ஆகும்? Decrease in profit. Maybe இங்க note பண்ணீங்க. The error will cause decrease in profit. Decrease in profit. Decrease in profit. Why decrease in profit? Asset. Balance sheet. You should take it to balance sheet. But when you record in purchases, it will come to P&L account. Because of that, what will happen? When you record a wrong expense, profit will come down. Decrease in profit. Cash receipt from Kumar was debited to his account as 350. Kumar account, is it an expense or income? It is not an income and not an expense. It's a personal account. It is a personal account. Personal account mistake panna, no impact on profit. No impact on profit, right? For point number 2, no impact on profit. No impact on profit. Next. No impact on profit. Next, point number 3. It is a problem in which account? Cash account. Is it a nominal account or real account? Real account. Or is it an expense or income? It is not an expense or income. It is your cash account. It will also no impact on profit. No impact on profit because it is not affecting your expenses or income. Nominal account is a hit ayirundha now profit will change. Point number 4. Credit sales is an income, but wrongly recorded as expense. Income expense are record panna now. Decrease in profit by 5,000 rupees. How 5,000 rupees? Income is not recorded. 2,500 is gone. That is recorded as an expense. Because of that, another 2,500 gone. So how much is the reduction in profit? 5,000 rupees reduction in profit. 5,000 rupees reduction in profit. Credit purchase not posted in subsidiary book. If you don't record purchase, purchase is an income or expense? Expense. If you don't record expense, increase in profit. Increase in profit 1,500. Increase in profit 1,500. Then rent paid not recorded in rent account. Rent is a nominal account. Rent paid is not recorded in which account? Rent account. It is taken to landlord account. Okay, now when rent is not recorded, profit will increase by 2,500. Because of the error, profit will increase by 2,500. Personal insurance premium was debited to trade expense account. Personal expense business will record panna now. Profit will decrease by 5,400. Profit will decrease by 5,400. Point number 8.
Decrease by 4,000.
No, it is not a nominal account. Is it related to income or expense? Salary, rent, and the either expense or sales, commission received, discount received, and the is it connected to nominal account or personal account? So it will not affect. Point number 9 also. It's related to which account? Cash account, it will not affect. Then point number 10 also. No impact because there is no nominal account involved. Point number 11, no error, no impact. Point number 11, no error, no impact. Point number 12, we repaid loan. We repaid which one? Loan. But debited to which account? Interest account la debit panni vechu. Repayment of loan was debited to which account? Interest account. Which means interest is an expense. Interest is an expense which is wrongly recorded. தப்பா interest record பண்ணா if you wrongly record interest what will happen? Decrease in profit by 5,000. When you record a wrong expense, it will decrease, profit will decrease by how much? 5,000. So from this you should understand, profit is affected when nominal accounts are wrongly recorded. Real and personal accounts are wrongly recorded, it will not affect the profit or loss. Wait. Suppose in the same question, if they tell that errors are rectified after final accounts, கொடுத்தா என்ன பண்ணிருப்பீங்க? Machinery account data to the place of purchases will use what? P&L adjustment account. Entry number 2 will it change? No. 3? No. Debtors and creditors to sales and purchases. Instead of sales and purchases, you'll use what? P&L adjustment. Inge P&L adjustment to suspense. Here P&L adjustment in the place of rent. Here in the place of trade expenses, you'll use what? P&L adjustment. Here no change. Here also no change. Drawings to cash running. There is no nominal account. Okay. Here also no change. Loan account data. Okay. Instead of interest, you would have used what? P&L adjustment account. Simple. If errors are rectified after final accounts, wherever you find nominal account, what is the nominal account? Income or expense. Income or expense. You use which account? P&L adjustment account. Number 2 பாருங்க. அது error of commission omission. Okay, type of error. Wait பண்ணுங்க. Type of error. Purchase of machinery wrongly recorded in purchase account. என்ன error இது? Error of principal. Error of principal. C. நீ மேல கொடுத்திருக்க. C for error of principal. Now, personal, real, nominal accounts interchange panna, that is called as what? Error of principal. Okay. Not recording. Cash receipt from Kumar wrongly debited. Error of commission. Error of commission. Okay. Wrong totaling also. Error of commission. Totaling a wrong amount, carry forward a wrong amount, error of commission. Credit sales was not posted through purchases, passed through purchases book. Error of omission. Error of omission. Credit purchase was not posted in the subsidiary book. Error of omission. Point number 6. Entering a wrong amount, wrong account. Error of commission. Personal insurance premium is drawings, but wrongly debited to which account? Trade expense account. Personal account bala nominal account record pan error of principal. Error of principal. Receipt from Charu entered in 15 journal proper. Entering a wrong amount. Error of commission. Be done. Error of commission. Yes. Entering a wrong amount is an error of commission. Cash withdrawn for personal use was recorded as which one? Nominal withdrawal. Error of principal. Debit side wrongly carried forward. Entering a wrong amount, wrong side, all those things, error of commission. Wages, there is no error. There is no error. Point number 11, there is no error. Point number 12, loan is a personal account. Interest is a nominal account. So when you record it wrongly, it is called as what? Error of principal. Point number C or option C. Point number 4 பாருங்க. Credit sales was not passed through purchases day book. Okay, not passed through purchase day book. நம்ம record பண்ண மறந்துட்டோம். Error of omission. Error of omission. Omission can be error of commission. Sorry, error of commission. Error of commission. Sorry. Error of commission. Question number 2. Past journal entries rectify the following errors. Machinery purchased for 5,000 was passed through which one? Purchases day book. Try it on your own. How many points are there? 6 points. Okay, probably can take about maximum 10 minutes of time. Maximum 10 minutes of time. Try it. What is the entry you will pass for the first one? Machinery account data to which account? Purchases account. First one, machinery account data to purchases account how much? 5,000. Machinery account data to purchases account how much? 5,000. Next. What is the next one? Rupees 10,000 spent for repairs debited to which account? Building account, and depreciation how much was charged? 10% was also charged. There are two errors here. One is repairs debited to which account? Building account. Second is depreciation 10% charge. So how to rectify this? Repairs account data to building account first. Start. Two entries you have to pass. Repairs account data to building account. Repairs account data to building account. How much you have to remove? 2,000. Repairs account data to building account. You have to remove how much? 2,000. Then how much would have been the depreciation for this? Cancel that. What is the entry for depreciation? Depreciation to building. How to cancel that? Building to depreciation. So one is repairs to building to cancel. Next, we would have passed depreciation account data to building account. We would have passed depreciation account data to which account? Building account. There is an error. There is another error. Okay. How to cancel that? How to cancel that? Building account data to depreciation account. Building account data to depreciation account. Once again, I repeat. First, why repairs account data to building account? Why repairs account data to building account? Repairs was wrongly debited to which account? Building account. How to rectify this? Debit repairs. Okay, then credit what has been wrongly debited. Then depreciation was wrongly charged. Actually, the depreciation charge panirukkuda. It's an expense, yeah. So, but that has been charged. How to rectify that? Building account data to which account? Depreciation account. So for point number 2, two entries. To cancel that wrong recording of repairs and to cancel that wrong depreciation charge to building account. Goods purchased from Rohan 50,000 was entered in which book? Sales book. It was wrongly entered in sales book. How to cancel that? What is the type of error is it? Should have debited to which account? Purchases account. You should have debited to which account? Purchase account. But tappu enna pannirukkom? Sales account record pannirukkom. How to rectify the error? Purchase account data, sales account data to Rohan account. Okay. So right entry is purchase to Rohan. Wrongly we recorded as what? Rohan to sales. How to rectify this? Purchase account data, sales account data to which account? Rohan account. Is it an error in posting or error in recording? Is it an error in posting in ledger or error in recording the transaction? Error in recording the transaction. So purchase account data, sales account data to which account? Rohan account. How much? 50,000, 50,000, 1 lakh. Debtors, creditors use panna vena because name is given, so use that name. Pick up this. Purchase debit pannunga. Sales was wrongly credited, remove that, debit it to Rohan account 1 lakh. Why not suspense account? Why not suspense account? It is not an error affecting only one ledger. It is not an error in posting. What is the next one? 6,000 in respect of purchase returns wrongly debited to which account? Purchases account. Now, is there a mistake in account? Is it a mistake in journal entry? It's a mistake in what? Account, not in journal. Okay. Instead of recording in purchase returns account, you recorded in which account? Purchases account. How to rectify that? What is the correct treatment? We should have credited to which account? Purchase returns account. But what is the wrong thing we have done? Debited to which account? Purchases account. How to rectify this? It's a mistake only in that account. So what is the thing you have to do? Suspense account debtor. Suspense account debtor to purchases account to purchase returns account. See, ரொம்ப கேர்ஃபுல்லா பாருங்க, wordings பாருங்க. It is a mistake between which account? Purchase returns account and which account? Purchases account. It is not an error in journal, it is an error in posting. Posting is nothing. After recording in journal, you post in the ledger account, right? Instead of purchase returns account, you have taken to which account? Purchase account. That's what. Purchase return will have which balance? Credit balance. Instead of that, we recorded in which account? Purchases account, which will have which balance? Debit balance. How to rectify? Remove the wrong debit to purchases account. Put the correct credit to purchase returns account, suspense account data. What is the amount? 12,000? Purchase account ever? 6,000. Journal correct பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. Ledger posting la, for example, you pass journal entry properly. Then while posting in ledger, instead of recording in purchase returns, you recorded in which account? Purchases account. So purchase return la credit post பண்ணிருக்கணும். But தப்பா போய் purchase account la post பண்ணு. So how to rectify? Credit purchase returns and wrong debit will be removed by crediting which account? Purchase account. Next பாருங்க. Cost of cement, sand, stone chips, steel rods, wages amounting to 10,000 for extension of building. Whatever is spent for extension of building, is it a capital expenditure or revenue expenditure? Capital expenditure. Capital expenditure தப்பா என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம்? Repairs and maintenance accounts debit பண்ணிருக்கோம். So what was wrong thing? We debited to which account? Repairs and maintenance account. But what is the correct treatment? Debited to which account? Building account. It's a capital expenditure. Capital expenditure should have been debited to which account? Asset. How to rectify this? Building account data to repairs and maintenance account. How much? 10,000. Clear? Debit what has to be done? Building account data. Wrong debit is removed by crediting. Either after final accounts now you would have done building account data to which account? P&L adjustment. Then, what is the next one? Check 4,000 received from Y dishonored. Wait பண்ணுங்க. Check receive பண்ண என்ன entry pass பண்ணணும்? Receive பண்ணும்போது bank account data to whom? To Y account. இது receive பண்ணும்போது. Dishonor பண்ணும்போது what is the entry? Cancel பண்ணணும். Y account data to which account? Bank account. This is the correct treatment. Y account. Don't bother about on receipt. When check is dishonored, Y account data to bank account. Instead of debiting Y account, this is a correct treatment. Y account data, this is a correct treatment. But wrong treatment என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம்? Wrong treatment is we debited to which account? Allowances account. How to rectify this? Debit what has to be debited? Y account data to which account? Allowances account. How much? How much? 4,000. Y account data to allowances account. You understand? Y account should be debited, debit now. Wrongly debited to allowances account, credit by removing. If it was after final accounts now, Y account data to P&L adjustment account. Y account data to P&L adjustment account. Question number 3. Question number 3 you are going to work out after a break of about 10 minutes of time. Question number 3. To tally the trial balance, listen, to tally the trial balance, ex-opponent took the help of suspense account. They opened which account? Suspense account for preparing final accounts. On investigation, they find that the following errors are discovered, which means already suspense account is opened and errors are rectified after what? Trial balance. Errors are rectified after trial balance. Try to pass journal entry. Try to pass journal entry for these 6 errors. Take around maximum 10 minutes of time. Maximum 10 minutes of time to pass journal entry. Ramesh account enna pannirukonu? Credit pannirukonu. Goods purchased from Ramesh. Purchase account data to Ramesh. You should have credited how much? 1000. But wrongly we debited the account 1100. The problem is in with which account? Ramesh account. Ramesh account is the problem. So how to rectify the error? To remove the wrong credit, one debit. But sorry, to put the credit 1000, to remove the wrong debit, one credit 1100. So total eவ்வளவு credit பண்ணணும்? Suspense account data are 2100. To which account? Ramesh and Co account. Ramesh and Co account 2100. To put the credit or 1000, to put the wrong, to eliminate the wrong debit or 1100. Total 2100 you have to credit. Suspense account data to Ramesh and Co account 2100. Then check receipt from Prakash. What is the journal entry? Bank to Prakash. Bank to Prakash entry pass பண்ணிருக்கணும் இல்லையா? We should have credited to which account? Bank account data to Prakash account, but wrongly credited to which account? Sales account. The problem is not with bank account. The problem is in which account? Sales account. We should have credited Prakash, but we wrongly credited which account? Sales account. How to rectify this? Sales account data credit has been given for sales. How to remove this? Debit sales 8000. Okay, debit sales 8000 to Prakash account. எவ்வளவு credit பண்ணணும் Prakash account? 6000. To Prakash account 6000. The balance will go to which account? Suspense account 2000. The balance will go to suspense account 2000. Sales has been wrongly credited. Debit to remove. Prakash should be credited with 6000. Credit Prakash with 6000 to suspense. To suspense for the difference amount 2000. Right? Sales account data are 8000 to Prakash 6000 to suspense. Next error பாருங்க. What is the next error? Sales book has been overcost. Sales is a credit item or debit item? Sales is a credit item. It is overcost now. Debit to cancel. Sales account data to suspense account. Sales account data to suspense account how much? 1000. Sales account data to suspense account 1000. Sales is a credit balance. Extra போட்டிருக்கும் credit sideல. Credit side extra போட்டிருக்கிறது எப்படி remove பண்றது? Debit. Sales account data to suspense 1000. Next பாருங்க. What is the correct entry for cash sales? Cash account data to sales account. Cash account data to sales account is a correct treatment. Okay. Then what we have done for What we have done? But posted in which one? Debit of A. Cash book la correct entry பண்ணிருக்கோம். Cash book la has been entered correctly, but wrongly debited in which account? Wrongly posted in personal ledger la debit பண்ணோம். So credit what has been done wrongly. What has been done wrongly? Payables account. What should be credited? Sales account should be credited. Suspense account data. Once again. Cash account correct post பண்ணிட்டாங்களா? Whether you have to adjust anything? No. Payables account wrongly debited. How to remove that? Credit to remove that. Then sales, is it recorded properly? No. Recorded now. So to A-boss account, to which account? To A-boss account, to which account? To sales account. Both will be debited to which account? Suspense account. Both will be debited to suspense account. Once again, cash account data to sales are correct entry. Cash account data to sales an entry, correct entry. Cash is there a mistake? No, don't adjust cash account. Sales are credit பண்ணிருக்கணும். அதுக்கு பதிலா என்ன பண்ணிட்டாங்க? Instead of crediting sales, they debited what? Boss. How to cancel that? A boss account should be credited to cancel. Then sales account was to be credited, credit now. A-boss account தப்பா டெபிட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க, கிரெடிட் பண்ணி கேன்சல் பண்ணுங்க. Record sales to sales account. Suspense account data. So journal entry is suspense account data to which account? A-boss account to which account? Sales account. Cash is correctly posted. If you record again in cash account, again you are posting. Cash account already post பண்ணியாச்சு. Why are you adjusting cash account? So the mistake is between which one? A-boss and which account? Sales account. Cash is correctly posted. Don't debit cash. If you debit cash, once again you are posting in cash account number right. So A-boss was wrongly debited, credit to cancel. Sales to be recorded, record the sales. Suspense account for the difference. Next form. Purchase return book for March 2008 has been undercost by 500. Purchase returns book undercost. Purchase returns will have which balance? Credit balance. Undercost now? Purchase returns book undercost. In the credit side, we entered a lesser amount. In the credit side, we entered a lesser amount. What to do? Credit further. Suspense account data to purchase returns. Clear, purchase returns will have a credit balance. In the credit side, we entered a lesser amount. How to rectify? Credit further. Suspense account data to purchase returns. How much? 500. Suspense account data to purchase returns 500. Then 1,800 paid for repairs to plant was charged to which account? 1,800 paid for which one? Repairs to plant was charged to which account? Plant account. What was wrongly debited? Plant account was debited wrongly. எவ்வளவு wrong debit பண்ணிருக்கோம்? 2,830. But what is the correct treatment? Repairs debit பண்ணிருக்கணும் 1,800. How to rectify the error? Repairs account data 1,800 to which account? To plant account. How much? 2830. Debit what has to be debited? Repairs account data. Credit what has been wrongly debited. Balance will go to which account? Suspense account data. Balance. Suspense account data 1030. 1030. Suspense account data. Once again, what is the correct treatment? Debit repairs. Debit now. What was wrongly debited? Plant. To plant, remove it. The difference in amount will be placed in which account? Suspense account. Your trial balance tally irukadu. Your trial balance would not have tallied, so you would have placed in suspense account. Adjust it now. Repairs to plant journal entry கிடையாது. Repairs to plant என்ன account debit பண்ணுவீங்க? Repairs பண்ண plant account debit பண்ணுவீங்களா? We are spending for what? Purchase of plant, repair of plant. இதுக்கு normal journal entry என்ன பாஸ் பண்ணுவீங்க? Repair பண்ணா. Plant repair பண்றீங்களா? Purchase பண்றீங்களா? So என்ன entry பாஸ் பண்ணணும்? Repairs account debtor repairs account debtor to cash பாஸ் பண்ணிருக்கணும். பட் அவன் தப்பா என்ன பண்ணிட்டான்? Plant accountல debit பண்ணி வச்சிட்டான். Repairs account record பண்ணதுக்கு பதிலா they recorded in which account? Plant account. How to remove this? Debit repairs. Remove what was wrongly debited. Balance goes to which account? Suspense. Come to question number 4. Come to question number 4. Suspense account of Welcome Associates did not agree. Okay. Trial balance did not agree. They transferred to which account? Suspense account. How much was credited to suspense account? 20,120 was credited to which account? Suspense account. The problem then you would prepare suspense account also. They have given how many errors? 8 errors. Now try to pass those 8 journal entries. Try to pass 8 journal entries. Then we will see. Try பண்ணீங்களா? Shall we? Pay attention. First one, just look at the entry. Suspense account data to sales returns account. Any doubt in it? Sales returns book was overcast. Sales returns will have which balance? Sales will have credit balance. Sales returns will have debit balance. Debit balance overcast. Debit balance we have put more. We have to remove this. We'll credit. Suspense account data to which account? Sales returns 500. What is the next one? Cash deposited in bank was wrongly showed in which one? Debit side of cash column. Cash deposited should be shown in which side? When you deposit cash, it should be shown in which side of cash column? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Cash goes out. It should have been credited. Credit part of the wallet debit பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோ. In cash account, when it comes in, you will debit. When it goes out, you will credit. When you deposit cash in the bank, cash comes in or goes out? Goes out, you should have credited. Instead of that, what you have done? You have debited. Credit பண்றதுக்கு பதிலா என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம்? Debit பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம். Suspense account data to cash 50,000. Suspense account data to cash 50,000, not 25,000. It is 50,000. Once again, which side you should have recorded? Which side you should have recorded? Credit side record பண்ணிருக்கோம். But எங்க record பண்ணிருக்கோம்? Debit side record பண்ணிருக்கோம். How to rectify this? To remove the wrong debit one credit. To put the correct credit one credit. அப்ப double amount credit பண்ணணும். So suspense account data to cash how much? 50,000. Next part. Next part. Sales to Mr. Ali was wrongly posted in which register? Purchase register. ரொம்ப simple. Instead of taking to sales account, listen. Instead of taking to which account? Sales account, you recorded in which account? Purchases account. Is there a mistake in Ali account? No mistake in Ali account. It's clearly given. Purchase register means purchase account. Okay. What is the mistake? You wrongly recorded in purchases. But it should have been recorded in sales. How to rectify? Remove the debit. Purchase debit remove பண்ணுங்க to purchases. Sales you have to credit. So totally will be debited to suspense account. Suspense account debtor to sales to purchases. Suspense account debtor to sales to purchases. Next. Wages 25,000 debited instead of 52,000. We should have debited how much? 52,000, but we debited only 25,000. How much more to debit? 27 more to debit, only in which account? Wages account. So wages account debtor to suspense account. Wages account debtor to suspense account. Wages account debtor to suspense account. Do you understand? We should have debited 52, but we debited only 27. Debit that 27,000 more. It is affecting only which account? Wages account. Don't put to cash. Cash put then you are doing an error. Clear? So in cash, is it specified that it is wrongly posted, etc.? No. It is an error affecting only wages account. Next. What is the next one? Cash balance 5,260 was taken as what? 5620. We have taken excess. We have taken excess. எவ்வளவு excess எடுத்திருக்கோம்? 360. Cash will have which balance? Debit balance. Debit ல அதிகம் மறந்து எப்படி remove பண்ணணும்? So, sorry. கம்மியா போட்டுருக்கும் அதிகமா போட்டுருக்கும் பாருங்க. Oh, sorry. We have taken lesser balance. We have taken what? Lesser balance. How much? 360. Cash, we have taken only 5,260 instead of 5,620. We have taken lesser balance. We have taken what? Lesser balance. Cash will have a debit balance. If you enter less, how to rectify? Debit cash. Cash account debtor to which account? Suspense account 360. Cash account debtor to suspense account 360. Cash la கம்மியா போட்டிருக்கும். Cash account will have a debit balance. When it is entered less, you debit further. Cash account debtor to suspense account. It is an error affecting only which account? Cash account. Next part. Purchase from Ali was wrongly posted in here also. Which account gets affected? Purchase account and what? Sales account get affected. It is not an error in journal. It is an error in what? Account. So purchases you should debit. Sales was wrongly recorded, you have to cancel. For that you have to debit. What is the entry you will pass? Purchase account debtor, sales account debtor to suspense account. Purchase account debtor, sales account debtor to Ali account podadinga because there is no mistake in Ali account. It's a mistake of posting in which account? Purchases and sales register. Next one solirka. Loan from Beauty was not credited to our account. Credit now to loan account. Suspense account will be debited. It's an error affecting only that loan account. So suspense account debtor to which account? Loan account. Don't put cash account debtor to loan. The credit is not given only to our account. So credit that account. Suspense account debtor. Suspense account debtor. Bonus is not considered for trial balance means ledger la post பண்ணிட்டோம் trial balance ல எடுத்துக்கல. Bonus is an expense or income. Bonus for the business, it is given to the employees expense. So consider now. Bonus account debtor to which account? Suspense account. Ledger balance not considered. Consider now bonus account debtor to which account? Suspense account. Please remember for this we have to prepare suspense account also. You have to prepare which account? Suspense account also we will prepare it. And please remember, if the errors are rectified after final accounts, என்ன பண்ணிருப்போம்? in the place of sales returns, then in the place of which one? The sales and purchases, in the place of wages, in the place of purchases and sales, then bonus. In the place of any nominal account, we'll use which account? P&L adjustment account. Suppose title, the errors are rectified after final accounts, we would have done that. I'll give you time for copying. Let us open which account? Suspense account. Suspense account, பாருங்களேன் question கொடுத்திருக்கான். Credit balance or debit balance? Credit balance. By balance brought down. By balance brought down எவ்வளவு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Credit எவ்வளவு கொடுத்திருக்கான் பாருங்க. 20,120. 20,120 by balance brought down. Look at the first journal entry. How it will be posted? Suspense account debtor to sales returns. எப்படி post பண்ணுவீங்க? Suspense account debtor to sales returns. Debit to sales returns how much? 500. Next பாருங்க. Account sales returns how much? 500. Second entry என்ன போட்டிருக்கோம்? Suspense account debtor to cash 50,000. First one, suspense to sales returns எப்படி post பண்ணுவோம்? To sales returns, to sales returns. Second எப்படி post பண்ணுவீங்க? To cash. Third one, to sales to purchases. Fourth one, by wages. Fifth one, by cash. Sixth one, by purchases, by sales. Seventh one, to loan. Eighth one, by bonus. Record them. Prepare பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். நீங்களே prepare பண்ணுங்க. Suspense account try to do. Listen, opening balance of Dirk, I'll explain step by step. 20,120. Every post பண்ணுவோம். Credit balance or debit balance? Credit balance. By balance brought down. By balance brought down, how much it will be there? 20,120. Ledger posting ரொம்ப simple. Pay attention, everybody pay attention. First entry பாருங்க. என்ன entry pass பண்றோம்? First entry என்ன pass பண்றோம்? Suspense account debtor to sales. Suspense account debtor to which account? Sales returns account. How to post this in ledger? Suspense account debit பண்ணுமா credit பண்ணுமா? Suspense account we have to debit, which means right in the left hand side. How much? 500 to sales. Next entry பாருங்க. Suspense account debtor to cash. Debit side to cash 50,000. Next entry. Suspense account debtor to sales to purchase returns. It will come as to sales to purchase returns. Next entry. Wages account debtor to suspense account. The suspense account என்ன பண்றோம்? We are crediting. Credit means right on the right hand side. Okay, by wages. By wages, how much we are crediting? 27,000. Next entry பாருங்க. Cash account debtor to suspense account. We are crediting suspense account. We are crediting suspense account. How this will come? How this will come? By எப்படி வரும்? Please say it. So next one, next entry பாருங்க. Purchases account debtor, sales account debtor to which account? Suspense account credit பண்றோம். அப்ப suspense account credit sideல by purchases, by sales னு ஒரு அவ்வளவுதான். Then next one, suspense account debtor to loan account. Suspense account you have to debit. Suspense account you have to debit to loan account 1,000. Next பாருங்க. Bonus account debtor to suspense account. Suspense account credit பண்றோம்.